How many session tracking methods? 4. What is first one? Cookies. Second one? Third one? HTTP sessions. First one cookies. Second one rewriting. Third one HTTP sessions. Fourth one fields. Okay. I'll ask some questions. Give me answer. There are 4 session tracking methods. First one cookies. Second one URL rating. Third one HTTP sessions. Fourth one hidden form fields. Can we implement independently? Second one. Third one. No. Third one depending on with cookies or with URL rewriting. Okay, URL rewriting. Now with cookies you have seen one program, this is one program, this is one, total 5 programs you have seen. Okay, 5 programs you have seen. But last program you didn't write. Books.html, it is same, no change. Okay, book.html same. Set fields.java, get fields.java, you are right. Write this one. Set fields.java. Set fields.java. Write the program. Set fields.java. set fields Java. In a hidden form fields to solids HTML program same. Write the notes, Abhi. So it is hidden form field program. Last class is studied. In that HTML program is one character also changed. So we received the data placed in hidden fields. This is last class program only, Saturday class. Last session tracking method, hidden form fields. The values we are with same name, same value. Is it completed? See, these hidden form fields I'll apply to login form. You observe. Login program also is that is also applied again and again. See, observe. Here, this data is not confidential. Login program, username, password, data confidential. If you use there, what will happen? See. Say, login program, here in login program, login solid. Here, previously, there was this is HTTP session with URL rating was there. Okay. I'll remove the session tracking. Only that session tracking method I'll remove. Here, this session tracking method I'll remove. Now, here, I want to write hidden form field concept. Then these two values in hidden fields. How to place pw.println HTML code you have to write. Okay. Body, BG color, suppose red, text yellow, like this you have to write. Okay. pw.println. Here, just form tag. Form tag action equal to here get. That is welcome. Welcome solid, no? Form action equal to welcome. This now redirecting not possible now. Come. Welcome solid URL pattern. This is now. Here form tag close, body close, HTML close. In between dot println, what we have to write? Input type equal to hidden. Name equal to uname. Value equal to S1. Okay. Like this. Same style. Value equal to S2. But S1, S2 variables, no. Then what you have to do? Double quotes plus these double quotes not required. Leave it like this only. Value equal to. No, that close required, no. Plus double quotes like this. Plus double quotes plus like this. Tag closing required. So here S1, S2 now outside the double quotes. Okay. These two hidden fields. Submit button required. pw.println input type equal to hidden submit. If you want any other value, you can write. Suppose next. Next. Okay. Say it is hidden form field concept I applied. See what I did. I removed redirect because redirect doesn't work. Now redirect place what I written? Hidden form field. Okay. Now hidden form field just I written submit button. This is login. Next welcome solid also you have to change, no? Welcome solid we have to change. Welcome solid we have to retrieve from hidden form field. Hidden form field how will retrieve? String sc equal to request dot get parameter. Parameter name uname. That's it. Password we say. So welcome. That's it. Now right click run on server. Save. Save. Here homepage.html. Okay. Now login. Username or AAA. Password entered. Now submit. You are getting next button. Okay. If I click next, welcome AAA. But it is get request. Get request is there. Actually, what we have tried there, post. You can do it, that one also. Here, already form is there, no? Login solid. Here, anyhow, form is there. What you can do? Method equal to post. Okay. Next, welcome solid. Here you can write post. Now, right click, run on server. Save. Save. Okay. Next, you are getting. But can we see password? Yes. Say I'll enter user. Here, right click, view page source. See password. Okay. But we didn't display. See, where is password? You observe. I typed password here. Password is, if I click submit, here is displaying? No. If I click next, is it displaying? No. But we can see. How to just right click, view page source. We can see password. Hidden field also we can see through this option. Okay. Like this, we have. It is not considered. This is removed from latest specification solids. This concept is removed. Okay. It is just HTML. Now, these all you studied session tracking methods. Say cookies program you have seen. HTTP session with cookies you have seen. HTTP session with URL rating you have seen. Hidden form field also you have seen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 programs you have seen. Okay. This is 1, this is 2, the year 2. 4, year 1. 5 programs. Again, same methods, session tracking method I apply to logins also. Login registration, login welcome, login solid, welcome solid also same mechanism I applied. I have shown both. That is confidential. This is not, books are not confidential. Both the programs I have shown the difference. Okay. Up to here, Solid's concepts almost completed. Just a few concepts left that is explained. Configuration file, web.xml node. It is called as configuration file. It is called as configuration file, and it is used to configure, and it is used to configure. It is called as configuration file, and it is used to configure Solid's listeners, filters, JSPs, initialization parameters, comma context parameters. It is called as configuration file and it is used to configure solid, listeners, filters, JSPs, initialization parameters, context parameters, welcome files, dash dash, etc. It is called as configuration file and it is used to configure solids, listeners, filters, JSPs, initialization parameters, context parameters, welcome files, dash dash, etc. Here you have seen how to configure solids. If you want to configure solid, we are writing solid, solid name, solid class, solid mapping, URL pattern. These tags we are writing. If you want to configure solids, solid tag we are using, solid name tag we are using, solid class you are using, URL pattern you are using. Listeners, next topic. Filters, next topic. JSP, next. These all very quickly you can learn. Very quickly. Like I given 10 topics. First to 2 topics only takes time. Remaining all very quickly. 2 days, 3 days, one class will finish. One concept. Okay. Initialization parameters. Already studied. What are the tags we used? Init param, param name, param value. Context parameter is studied. Context param, param name, param value. Okay. Welcome file I have to explain. But before welcome file only, solids we can configure different types. Next, write it. There are 3 ways to map solids. There are 3 ways to map solids. One is exact match. Second one, extension match. Third one, second one, directory match. First one, exact match. Second one, directory match. Third one, extension match. There are 3 ways to map solids. First one, exact match. Second one, directory match. Third one, extension match. So web.xml, it is used to, it is called as configuration file. It is called as configuration. All we can configure. Now solids configuration, 3 ways possible. There are 3 ways to map solids. Match, one match, third one, extension match. First, exact match. Example. You observe, is it over? Here, basic programs I'll take. Some basic programs you studied. Okay. Suppose anyone table solid you have seen. For this configuration you have seen here. Okay. Anyone solid. Example time solid. This is your seen. Time. Here what we written slash time. We written slash time. This is you can execute with only slash time. No. See. Right click. Run as server. Now, if I write time, you'll get a time, system time. Here, just a time, enter, time. In XML program, what I written? In XML program, in Excel program, what I written? Slash time. In address bar, what I'm writing? As it is matched, no? It is called exact match. Now, here, example, web.xml, URL pattern, slash URL pattern. In browser window. Browser window, HTTP colon, localhost colon, 8082 6 slash year slash time. Year slash time. Whatever I written here, what I written here, this is called exact match. This is called exact match. So slash time, as it is matched. So whatever you studied previous all programs, you have studied exact match. Is it over? So year time, it is match, it is exact match. Now, second one, directory match. Directory match. Directory match. Example. Web.xml. URL pattern. If I write slash demo slash time. Search URL pattern. Browser HTTP colon localhost colon 8082 slash demo slash. You can write whatever you want. Test or HTTP localhost 8082 slash demo slash sample or now here slash demo slash it is directory slash demo slash directory. It is called directory. Star place whatever you want, you can write. Star place whatever you want, you can write. This one, this one. Star place whatever you want, you can write. It is called directory match. So demo I give, is here 1 minute. Here already 1 minute. Here already basics and basics folder is there. No, after that basics should be there. 1 minute. Here basics should be there. Whatever already given. Basics. War file name that is. Like this you are right. One basics folder is there already given. That should be there. Directory match. That basics war file name like that as it is should be there. Application folder. Test also, ABC also, whatever you want, you can write. Star place. Run on server. Save. Here, what must match? Demo slash. Okay. Come. Error. Okay, demo must match. That is one type. Third one, extension match. Extension match. Example. URL pattern. Here star dot do if you write dot do compulsory. Suppose dot html if you write dot html compulsory. Dot cpp if you write dot compulsory. Here whatever you want you can write. There that extension must match. Okay. It is web.xml. Browser window. HTTP colon localhost colon 8082 slash basics slash demo dp. HTTP localhost colon 8082 slash basics slash test.cpp. Extension must match. Remaining whatever you want you can write. Here x dot cpp. Here dot cpp. Here extension match. Remove whatever you want you can write. Star place whatever you want you can write. Is it over? Here dot cpp written. Here dot cpp must here demo also sample also abc also xyz also whatever you want. Extension must match. Completed. Now you observe here start.pp. I'll write. Now right click, run on server, save. Here. Now, demo.cpp, I'll write. People will understand it is C++ program, they'll understand. Okay. But it is only no. So, like this. See in this .cpp, it is maybe C++ program running in browser, they'll think. But actually that is Java program. Okay, like this extension you can write whatever you want. Whatever you want, you can write. Now, here, any name you can write, you observe. Test.cpp. You can write any. Now, anything you write, but last CPP. But CPP here missed, you'll get a error. Not found. Resource not found. Okay. This is about mapping. Welcome file. Suppose, for example, login program. This login program run on server. I'll execute. Here, what we are typing, homepage.html. You are getting, but without typing, homepage should come. That is possible. That is called welcome file. Then no need to write homepage.html. It will come. That is possible. Here, what you can do is in a XML file. Here, already welcome files will be there. You observe. Welcome file list. First, it will search for index.html. Index.html not there. It will search for index.htm. It is not there. Index.jsp. It is not there. Default.html. It is not there. This one. It is not there. This one. So these 6 default welcome files. Now these all not there. Like that, not found error comes. Here, what you one more you add. Welcome file. Homepage.html. Over. Now your program is default. See, now no need to type, directly welcome file appears. Now no need to type homepage. Say okay. Now see, directly homepage appears. See, no need to type. See, home page also not appears. See, observe here. Default. Next file. Welcome file is also called as default file. Welcome file is also called as default file. To configure welcome files, we use welcome file list tags in WebXML. Example, web app list welcome form HTML / welcome file welcome file list. Remaining whatever you want, you can write at last web app. Welcome file list and welcome files in web.xml. Your file we use welcome list and welcome tags in web.xml. If file welcome files .html, your program name you write index, then no need to here. It's already configured. So 6 files already present. Index.html, index.htm, index.jsp, default.html, default.m, default. Index.jsp, default.html, then one more way. Our file name only, homepage.html is there. Index.html or default. In the 6, any file name you write it there. Then no need to configure also, because default welcome files list that is. Okay. How to configure welcome files you have seen. So either you add this one or you either this or this or this or this or this or this. Rename your file name only, rename instead of search default. Okay. That one more will be there. Now suppose for example configuration I'll show you. Basics time solid. Whenever first request comes to time solid. First what will happen? Class almost. First request comes to the solid. First what will happen? Created solid class. Object is created to time solid class. After creating object, what will happen? Init method. Is there any method? No. Then where it will search? Super class. There init method is there. That init method called. After that service method. This method called. Okay. Next second request comes. Direct service method called. Now third request comes. Now For first request, it takes more time, or second request, it will take more time. First request, it will take more time, because first request what will happen, first object created, then init method called, then service method called. Second request onward, so second request onwards, response very quickly comes as compared to first request. Very quickly means fraction of seconds, milliseconds gap only. Second words only fast. First request take time, because happen first object created, next init method tag is there, startup tag is there. Whenever you deploy, then only object created, then only init method called, ready. When first request come, then service only called. That means already loaded, started. Only like a second request type only all. First request also second request type only. So load on startup, if you configure, then automatically class loaded, init method called, it will be ready. Then first request also same time, second request also same time. It is also possible. What we can do is here in XML. Here, suppose for this solid, here load on startup. Here just written load on startup one. Now here next solid, here load on startup, I'll write. Then this solid first loaded. Next this solid loaded. Suppose here I'll write 1, here I'll write 2. Then this solid loaded first, this solid loaded second. But at last all loaded before first request only. That is load on startup tag. Next write it. Load on startup tag. It indicates web container to load a solid. It indicates web container to load a solid, comma, instantiate solid, comma, and call init method whenever it indicates web container to load a solid, instantiate solid, and call init method whenever web application is deployed on server. It indicates web container to load a solid, instantiate solid, and call init method whenever web application is deployed on server. It indicates web container to load a solid, instantiate solid, and call init method whenever web application is deployed on server. So whenever application deployed, then only done. Actually, when init method is called, whenever first request comes. Now what is happening? While deploying only init method called, it will be ready. Now example, solid name, support time, SAS type of source times solid. Solid class. After this, in this place only, right? Load on start. Solid map. Solid name. URL pattern. So load on startup tag, you're right after solid class. Load on startup tag, you're right after solid class. Web app table. At least configuration required to understand. Web apps, solid map, table solid, URL right to. Solid listeners, solid filters. Also, we have that concept also. That is also like a solids only, not completed. Listeners also solids only. Filters also solids only actually. I given separate. Here table, table. Now which solid loaded first? Time solid. Next, table solid. Is it completed? Suppose now here total how many solids are there? 2 solid. Which solid first loaded? Time solid. Next, table solid. Suppose if I write here 10, here 2, then which solid loaded? Table solid. Okay. Here next time solid. So here how it is stored is ascending order number. Here solids are loaded in ascending order. Here solids are loaded in ascending order. Now I return time solid 10, table solid 2. Then which is loaded first? Table solid loaded, time solid loaded. I return 10, 10. You can give like that also. Suppose if I write here -2, what will happen? Table solid loaded first? No. Here 0 negative number not considered, not loaded. Okay. That point also write it. Here 0 and negative numbers are not considered. Here 0 and negative numbers are not considered. That means not loaded. That writing is waste. That line is waste. It is ignored. By mistake 0, by mistake negative numbers if you write, that is not loaded. That is just ignored. Okay. Here 0 and negative numbers are not considered. Like this we can configure. Tomorrow we'll see continuation.